Welcome, today in front of me Realme 9 and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first we should go into the settings application and after that tap on the sounds and vibration. Here we can see the ringtone volume panel, and now just to switch the ringtone volume we should slide to the left or to the right side this volume, this dot and this volume panel with our finger. Also we can do it by the second way. Just first be sure that here in advanced settings in volume button function we have selected ringtone volume, and now just by press up or down volume button we can also change our device ringtone volume. And also we can do it by the third way, just slide to the up or to the down with our finger, that's volume panel. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.